How to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox app. You'll find this kind of screen here. If you click on the box below username, email, or phone number, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, if you had logged into your Roblox account, you can simply click on it and press continue and you will be logged into your account. If this option does not appear, open Chrome and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you press on three dots here, simply click on settings. After you press on settings in here, scroll down and click on Google Password Manager. After you press on Google Password Manager, scroll down and search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox in here, press on it and verify with your lock screen passcode. And here you can press on the I like icon and you will be able to see your password. After that, you can simply add this password and log in. But this option also does not show up search support Roblox on your Chrome and press on Roblox support, which is the first option. After you press on Roblox support, it will lead you to this page. In here, add your date of birth and press on continue. After you press on continue, it will lead you to this page. In here, add your username, your first name, and your email address. Confirm your email address as well. After you do that, at the bottom, what device are you having the problem on? Select your device. After you've selected your device, at the bottom, click on type of help category and press on account hacked or can't log in. Then at the bottom in subcategory, press on forgot password. Then press on continue. It will give you this kind of option here. You can describe your issue as shown on the screen and press on continue. After you press on continue again, it will lead you to this page. You will need to verify by clicking on start puzzle, complete the puzzle, and your report will be submitted. Roblox will get back to you within some hours or some days and solve your issue. This is how to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.